Jayawardene. We believe in the power of meaningful partnerships to create lasting impact. So today, we are here to shine the light on Aberdeen Holdings, who is a partner for JXLDS 13.0, the annual leadership seminar of ISAC in USJ. So let's hear from Aberdeen Holdings about this purposeful partnership.
So Ms. Dilshani, before we go into the questions, can you tell us about Aberdeen Holdings and what defines your identity as a group today?
So Aberdeen Holdings is a diversified Sri Lankan conglomerate with operations across 6 major industries. From pharmaceuticals, packaging, recycling, commodities, transportation and logistics, and of course power generation and digital innovation. With companies such as Expac Corrugated Cartons, Fitz Aviation, Fitz Express, UPS, Expo Commodities Global, then we have Bio Extracts, and also companies like Neptune Recyclers. Our collective impact reaches over about 1.2 million lives across Sri Lanka and also beyond. What defines us is our commitment to progress that's both people-centric and also purpose-driven. We place a strong emphasis on innovation, integrity, and also inclusivity. We've been recognized as one of the most respected entities by LLD, and we pride ourselves on both building not just a successful business or businesses, but sustainable career opportunities and communities.
So Ms. Dilshani, how would you describe your experience partnering with ISAC in University of Sri Jayawardene?
Our partnership with ISAC in University of Sri Jayawardene has been an inspiring journey. The professionalism, enthusiasm, and also the leadership demonstrated by the ISACers we work with has been an engagement that is actually meaningful. It was not just an event, it was actually more of a collaboration. It's a journey, I think. It was a shared journey that helped us to nurture the future of Sri Lankan leadership. And also I think we deeply value ISAC. We value how ISAC aligned with our ethos, encouraging global thinking, ethical leadership, and also I think youth empowerment. Through this collaboration, we've had the opportunity not only to share our story, but also sort of gain insight into the evolving mindset of the next generation. We are very proud to continue this partnership and also look forward to the future initiatives under Aberdeen Inspirations program.
We're so glad to hear that. So why does Aberdeen actively partner with university communities, and how does that reflect your employer branding and culture?
We strongly believe that shaping the future workforce starts today. Partnering with universities and also student organizations like ISAC is a direct reflection of our commitment to talent development and our belief in creating value beyond businesses. Through our initiative Aberdeen Inspirations, it is built around this idea. Through it, we sort of offer mentoring, we offer leadership engagement, and industry exposure to university students. It is not about just recruiting, it is about relationship building and also long-term growth. This also sort of reinforces our employer branding. At Aberdeen, we cultivate a workplace where voices are heard, growth is personal, and purpose-driven action. When students interact with us, they experience first-hand culture that is open, empowering, and also built on trust.
What message would you give to students who want to be a part of a company like Aberdeen Holdings?
Well, as an organization, what I would say is look beyond the job title. Look for a place that sees your potential. At Aberdeen Holdings, we are not just building careers, we are actually shaping the journey. We are looking for young individuals who are curious, who are authentic, and also eager to make an impact. You don't need to know all of it. What matters is your mindset and also the willingness to grow. Whether you join us through internship programs or full-time roles or projects under Aberdeen Holdings, through Aberdeen Inspirations, we just want you to feel valued, we want you to feel heard, and also we want to know that you are being challenged. So if you're ready to be a part of a culture that's nurturing, talented or talent, and leads with purpose, Aberdeen is the start for you.
So Ms. Darshani, before you wrap up, one last question. If you could describe this partnership in one word or one sentence, what would it be?
Well, I would say that it has been an inspiring journey, shaping the future leaders.